Right, so in this video, we're gonna keep adding the simple logical gates into our project. So we already have the AND and the OR gate. I'm gonna add on this video the XOR and the NOT gate. So we're here on the user PRG. Let's click on the toolbox and I'm gonna place our XOR in the next network. And you can see here that I don't have my NOT gate, so it will not appear on the Boolean operator section, but we can add this through an empty box. So here in the toolbox, you have our empty box, a box with AND and enable output. Let's place it here, and let's call this empty box NOT. So now this box will become a NOT gate. Let's delete the normally open context and declare some variables. Here I will call XOR 1 and 2. XOR output. NOT 1 and NOT output. Let's download this to our simulator online. Login. Yes. Okay. No. Okay. So our XOR gate, its output will only be true if my XOR 1 and my XOR 2 have different values. So now they are both false, so my XOR output is also false. If my XOR 1 and XOR 2 have a true value, my output will keep his false value. It will only be true if my XOR 1 and XOR 2 have different values, like my XOR 1 is true and my XOR 2 is false. So let's try the situation. I'm gonna write the false value into my XOR 2 variable, Ctrl plus F7, if you all remember the shortcut. So you can see here, now my XOR 2 nor my XOR output have a true value. So the opposite is my XOR 1 is false and my XOR 2 is true value. Let's write this. So they are also different and my XOR output is true. My NOT gate is simple. It just denies my input. So if I have false, my output is going to be true. If my input is true, my output is going to be false. So let's test this. So if I write true on my NOT1 variable, my NOT output is going to be false. If I write false, it's going to be true. So it's the basic simple operation of logical gates inside MasterTool.